In the heart of Toronto, rising proudly above the city skyline, stands the CN Tower, not just a structure of concrete and steel, but a symbol of human ambition, innovation, and belief in the future. The story of the CN Tower begins in the late 1960s, a time when Toronto was rapidly expanding. With the construction of many tall buildings, television and radio signals were facing serious interference. To solve this growing problem, Canadian National Railway proposed an extraordinary idea: to build a tower so tall and powerful that it would rise above all obstacles and carry communication signals clearly across the region. Construction officially began in 1973, and from the very first day, the project was considered one of the most ambitious engineering challenges of its time. No freestanding structure in the world had ever reached such a height before. Engineers and workers used an advanced method known as slipform construction, where concrete was poured continuously, allowing the tower to grow upward without stopping. Day and night, through strong winds and harsh Canadian weather, the tower slowly climbed toward the sky, capturing the attention of the entire world. The financial scale of the project was just as impressive as its technical difficulty. The total cost of construction was approximately 63 million Canadian dollars, a massive investment at the time. Adjusted for today's economy, this amount would equal several $100 million. Working at extreme heights always involved danger, yet the project was completed without any major accidents, a remarkable achievement that highlighted the discipline, planning, and professionalism of everyone involved. After nearly 3 years of intense work, the CN Tower was officially completed in 1976. Standing at a height of 553.3 meters, it instantly became the tallest freestanding structure in the world, a title it proudly held for more than 3 decades. For Canada, this was more than just a record, it was a moment of national pride. The tower announced to the world that Canada was a leader in modern engineering and architectural excellence. Over time, the role of the CN Tower expanded beyond communication. It was opened to the public and transformed into one of the most popular tourist attractions in the country. Observation decks were built to give visitors breathtaking views of Toronto and Lake Ontario. The famous glass floor allowed people to look straight down from hundreds of meters above the ground, turning fear into excitement. Later, experiences like the Edgewalk were introduced, offering thrill-seekers the chance to walk hands-free around the outside of the tower, high above the city. Today, the CN Tower is far more than a tall building. It is the identity of Toronto and one of the most recognized landmarks in the world. At night, when it lights up in brilliant colors, it feels alive, telling a story of progress, courage, and imagination. The CN Tower reminds us that when vision meets determination, even the sky is not the limit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment to share your opinion, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.